Good afternoon, guys. What an exciting match. What a match we have today. United versus Liverpool. 2-1. United has done it, making a very strong and very big comeback against a team which was number two during the last season. And we have a very strong comeback after what could be a not very good performance last week and week before. So we have a strong statement from United. They missed early on, but recovered well, and then there was a opportunity which hit the ball, hit the pole, and then we saw a goal. Lack of defense in Liverpool side. Although Mohamed Salah able to push back one, but still I can say it's a good performance. It's a impressive performance. Ronaldo come very late in the play, but the thing is, there was a lot of chances created. This was a heavy duty match, a match which should we expecting early on in the Premier League season is doubted, but I wasn't expecting that. I was hoping that this match or this tie will be around mid-October or something when the teams are settled down. But still, there was a match. It's because a random choice. Nothing happened on anybody's choice. And we have a game on. Liverpool, both teams went into the match without a win. Liverpool does have two draws and United has no point at all. But now they turn the table on. United has got valuable 3 points, morale booster 3 point, which will be important for them because they have beaten a team which was very near to win the championship last time, Premier League, and we have two goals that the scorer has scored, the strikers has scored, team has performed, the defense was good, not very good, but still we can say it was a better performance from a team who was awful. I must say that awful during the last week of performance, and now it's a comeback, and it's a very good comeback. United is a big team, and a big team has a tendency to make a comeback and make their marks. So it's the start of the season. We have United on the scorecard now. We have Arsenal at the top. We have City playing a draw as well, lost a point, and we have Liverpool who has yet to win a match, but still got two draws. So it's a good position for everybody, and we hope there will be more interesting matches coming up with this season, and all the excitement, all the fun will remain with the team. With whoever you support, keep supporting, and wait for the next video for some comparison and some predictions.